Morning. So, we're just cruising up the M62. We're on our way to Hull. We're going to collect a Ducati 750 Super Sport. Got my coffee, I'm awake, and we've got about 50 minutes before we get there. I'm going to make a video today of how to strap in my bike into the back of the van. We use what you call endless straps, and the reason for this is so that we can adjust the buckle, move the buckle away from anything it may come into contact with, such as fairings or exhausts or something like that. And also they don't have hooks, and the hooks, after a little bit of usage, they will lose their protective coating, so that means it will give damage to anything that you hook it onto, which obviously we're trying to avoid. As you can see here in the floors, we've got adjustable tracking with hooks that we can move forwards and backwards. And again, this is to avoid any contact from the straps for the exhaust or the fairings. And also it gives us more versatility so that we can pull the bike down and forward, which is the intention, to stop the bike from moving around in transit. That's the angle the strap needs to be at. So it's pulling it down mainly, but then forward a little bit into the chock. Only a little bit. Too much angle, you get more rock on the bike. There's hardly any there. But if that angle is more across there, you'll get more rock on the bike. As it is, you've got to say it. It's going nowhere. James Price Motorcycles, you can see him. He has some absolute beauties. Now you can see we're moving the hook long back in the tracking to get the correct angle from the rear set, and we put the endless strap in and achieving the correct angle to pull the bike down and forward. That's everything loaded on board at JPM. Off to Glasgow, born in Scotland. Go on, let's hear it. I'm dying to hear it.
Wait, let's see if I get to it.
She can sing. That's the Ducati dropped off. It turns out Stuart's a returning customer. I think I've delivered 3 bikes to him now. Always happy with the service. He's mumping about the price now. But the price should be going up with the price of fuel, but I did it in for the same price as the last bike. Which I shouldn't do, I'm stupid. It's going up next time, Stuart. That's the KTM dropped off. The guy was really happy to see me with it. So happy he gave me pizza and a breakaway. That's my kind of tip. We like pizza. And now it's a little trip past Loch Lomond and then back to Scunthorpe. 5 hours away. 5 hours. The guy says it's alright to deliver it. It's going to be quite late. It's going to be after midnight when I get there. He says it's okay to deliver it, so he's the boss. Let's go make someone's evening. What a way to finish your day. I mean, I'm not finished. I've still got 6 hours left to drive. You don't get much better than that. The shores of Loch Lomond. And sunset. Beautiful.